Yes, good evening, everybody. Yes, so the time is 6:40. I welcome everybody for today's annual general body meeting. With the permission of our president, can I start the meeting, sir?
Yes, we should start. Well, first of all,
Thank
say
you.
good evening to everybody and welcome everybody, and then we can start.
Sure. Good evening, members. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to the first annual general body meeting of FOCUS, the Forum of Critical Utility Services. It's been a great pleasure and a great year for us. For the last almost, we will be completing 1 year on the 26th of October. But as an association which follows all the rules and regulations laid down in the bylaws of this society, we are conducting our annual general body meeting on time. And before I start the meeting, I would try to suggest the name of our president, Mr. V. Suresh, to be the chairman for this meeting. I need a couple of people to propose and second it. So you can tell your name.
I propose.
I second it, sir. I second
Thank
it.
you.
I'm Velan. I'm proposing the president's name for the chairmanship.
I am seconding it, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So, President sir and Chairman sir, with your permission, I start the meeting.
Yes.
Before we start the meeting, I would request all of you to put your right hand on the chest or near your heart and thank all the COVID workers who have laid their lives for ensuring security and safety of our lives. Today, we are all here talking and conducting this meeting because of the great work that has been done by the various COVID workers. So just put your right hand on your chest and just close your eyes for a second so that we pay our respects to all those who have done great service for us. Thank you so much.
Great gesture.
Thank you, sir. So, Mamata, can we see the agenda for today's meeting?
Yeah, put the agenda on the.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the notice of the virtual annual general body meeting of Forum of Critical Utility Services was served on the 28th of September. As per the rule, we have to give 21 days notice. So accordingly, this notice was served along with the various documents, the financial documents, the audit report, and the memorandum of association, which will be passed today. All these documents, I'm sure all of you must have read these, must have gone through these documents. So as the first agenda point, I request our president and chairman of this meeting, Mr. V. Suresh, to give the welcome address. Over to you, Mr. Suresh.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Narasimhan, General Secretary, and all our distinguished members, chair and co-chair of the various chapters, and all the founding members who are here, the Vice President, the General Secretary, the Treasurer, and members of the Management Committee. All of them, a special welcome to all the members. And we are so happy that the organization which was born just about on the 26th of October, which is just 6 more days from now, 1 year back, we have grown in such a large way in terms of the number of membership there, but also the quality of membership representing all the stakeholder group. We also branched out. We opened out our chapters at Bangalore, then subsequently in Mumbai. Then we had a Chennai branch opened, chapter opened with Kalirajan Saab there and Sutaria Saab in Mumbai. And we had the Kerala chapter with architect Ajit and Vinod, who are also there. And then the latest to join was the Pune chapter with the participation of Purva Keskarji. And we had just about a week back. And very welcome to Malaji. I find she has joined. Very important members all are joining now. And more importantly, the activities are picked up in a very big way. And maybe in a month from now, the Delhi chapter of the of FOCUS will be starting the work there with excellent initiative being taken by Ashish Rakeja and Ashish Varmaji from JLL. And then subsequently, we'll be having the Ahmedabad chapter opening up. And then very closely following will be the Kolkata chapter, as well as the Hyderabad chapter. Possibly Vizag for Andhra Pradesh also will be another major one coming. The expansion is a very important aspect that shows the growth of the organization. So just around 13 members to 286 is a wonderful progress forward. And I'm very happy that the work on the focus now has attracted international attention, global appreciation, because this is the only organization of this kind in the whole world. There's no organization providing a platform to provide all the critical utility services to come together on a platform to deal with the all issues of critical utility service, of integration, coordination, a comprehensive approach to the whole built environment, either above the ground or below the ground. And that's a fantastic opportunity for us to see how we are also getting the support from the US, UK, and Dubai and Singapore and other areas. And that also shows the global attention that it has received. And I'm very grateful for all our members for made the organization so active. And more importantly, the type of membership cuts across all the disciplines of mechanical, electrical, plumbing, firefighting, security, safety, ICT, information communication technology, and like all our 21 verticals that we have there to do different disciplines of work. And we are having all of them participating in this particular group, including sustainability as a major event, because everybody is working towards the 2030, the sustainable development goals to the year 2030 on one end, and the other one is larger 2050 decarbonizing agenda, which is the next major component there. And we are all working, and all the contribution done by the focus members are the one going to contribute on saving of energy, saving of water, saving of waste, as well as the whole initiative of decarbonized environment. And it's an amazingly good opportunity for us to contribute to nation building in a large way, and the architectural community and civil engineering community, along with the builders, developers, and technology providers dealing with all the services, are also part of our team. And that only shows what a good amount of activity has been going on. We already had a large knowledge series workshop, around 12 in number, thanks to the good initiative and work done by speakers internationally and nationally to deal with those particular one. And on their own, the Chennai chapter organized one seminar, and Bangalore chapter also organized another seminar. So therefore, it shows the number of activity at one point of time in the month of September or August. Literally every week or alternate weeks, we used to have a seminar with excellent participation of the order of 600 registrations, 700 registrations for all those events is a great source of encouragement to all of us. And therefore, we are very happy that all these things have started coming one after another. And very shortly, the newsletter would be also coming out so that all the members can be informed on the progress on each one of the area, what are the areas working. Each of the chapters have done, each of the vertical groups have done excellent work. The electrical installation group was one of the first to join, Bhavani Prasadji and Daruwala Saab. They already identified the whole game plan and the blueprint for what needs to be done for electrical installation is the most critical one. Power to the building is what drives everything, namely the lighting, the air conditioning, the lift installation, the firefighting installation, everything you look at power. And therefore, what are the critical areas they have worked on that? Sustainability group has also met, and they have come out with some very interesting document. Mala is also joined here. Thank you, Mala, that you are here with us. And we are also happy that we're going to have next week on the 30th another major things on electrical short circuit and all that. Go, wonderful person, and who has been in the National Building Code, lightning as an important component. The whole issues on in the NBC chapter on lightning issues and all that, you'll be able to have that on the 30th, namely just 10 days from now. So what I'm trying to say, activities are really coming up in a large way. That keeps the whole industry and the professionals fully involved, associated, and along with that, even non-members of Focus till then, after participating in an event over there, they all have joined also in a very large way. Chennai, I want to particularly compliment because they organized a leaders meet just about a week back on the 9th. They had a wonderful meeting. They already crossed the century mark of members there. And so they decided the first one to go instead of the virtual meet to a physical meet there. And that helped, that really encouraged everybody with the right level of hope that we should also start coming. And India is really catching him very well. And I thank Narasimhan for rightly paying respects to all the COVID people and all the people who have backed up, the health workers and the doctors and the security people. Everybody was worked for the whole country to get geared up to deal with that. No wonder we have come down to less than around 15,000 now, the whole country. And maybe today, tonight or tomorrow, the 100 crores vaccine will also be over. And that will be a phenomenal opportunity for the 94 crores of people who are more than 18 years old. And therefore, to vaccinate all of them means you require about 188 crores of vaccines to take place, of which 100 crores are already having take place. We are roughly around 75,000 to around a crore per day is the rate at which we are going. And I'm sure by January end, we should be able to get that done. And the latest good news that's moving around all over the country, which has enthused everybody, is that after the wave 1 and the wave 2, possibly the wave 3 may not be a concern area, because the way in which the type of response come, and also the type of antibodies created a large number of people, which is also shown in different parts of the country. We should be able to gear up. So that's also very good news that going forward, 2022 is going to be a period where, in fact, even earlier, I would even believe by November end or December end, we'll all start meeting, things will come down. The economy is also shaping extremely very well, or all the parameters on the economy side has been excellent, be it on the foreign exchange position or the GDP growth figures that we have for the last few months time period on the manufacturing segment, other related segment, a bumper crop year. And therefore, all these particular things shape so well. It is the right time. Therefore, India should get prepared for creating the right level of infrastructure for its phenomenal growth for the 5 trillion economy that we are all working towards. And then let's try to see how best focus and all the constituents can contribute to that in creating the best possible infrastructure within the building and outside the building of all the services which can contribute to this growth into in one of the finest success stories among all the countries that we have. We are hearing just now when US goes through about a 1 lakh plus, and UK, a small country, doing around 45,000 yesterday. And therefore, to know that India has really done wonderful work the last 2 years time period, and in particular last about 6 months time, everything April we were painted badly, around 4.5 lakhs per day was the number. It has come down to less than about 20,000. It's phenomenally great. So I think excellent one, and for us it's a great opportunity. The focus professionals working on the built environment sector, and India has already been declared as the 3rd biggest construction market under the latest rating, which you must have all read that, in terms of the opportunity coming in the building sector and the infrastructure development sector. Buildings of all the asset classes which are included in this particular thing. And we would like to see how best our contribution comes in a significant way in terms of productivity, in terms of efficiency, in terms of least amount of wastages, and also ensuring energy saving, water saving, least amount of carbon waste management coming, and all contribute to the carbon footprint reduction, which is very much required. All of us are meeting maybe a month from now in November 1st week, Glasgow. COP26 meeting is going to be there, where all the countries will be meeting to decide what type of reduction is needed in terms of the carbon footprint, and those baselines will be decided. We are getting geared up, and let me tell you, all the decisions that will be taken will have immediate impact on what we will do, either in terms of the energy or water or waste management related issues. And your good news is 450 gigawatt of renewable energy to come over there. $10 billion you put by the Reliance, about $20 billion by the Adani Group on the solar related side is all very, very happy augury of news coming. the clean energy through clean hydrogen to come in over there as alternate options coming. So large number of interesting developments, the electric vehicle component, ethanol related issues as part replacement, all are part of a larger agenda. The whole country is rolling it up, and I'm sure all of them will be receiving the right level of attention from all concerned. And more importantly for us, being in focus, what does it mean? That means in the built environment that we are creating, either into the buildings and the infrastructure, either the building level or the level of layout level or at a campus level or even a township level, what is that we can contribute to make our job more efficient as well as effective and also economical and more important, ecologically appropriate and energy saving. And that's the most important message. I should take more time than the 7 minutes Secretary said I can take for the opening remarks. I want to welcome each one of you for their gracious participation for the first AGM. We have decided that our Founders Day, instead of doing exactly on the 26th there, we are planning it sometime in a detailed manner, possibly to do it either in Bangalore or in Mumbai. We'll come out details on that, but very shortly. But we want to do the Founders Day of the anniversary day instead of on 26th October. We'll be doing it very shortly by mid-November, around that particular time period. And once again, thank you very much for all your wonderful participation. And I'm very happy that the membership also has enhanced now from the number that we had of 29, we have come down to 59, 30 we added in the last 10 to 12 minutes time period. And I'm very grateful to all of them who have found time to participate. Our secretary as well as treasurer have done a wonderful job to see how best we can be financially strong body, how to enhance it in a large way. Our events program under Dominic has also been receiving excellent attention with best possible participation from all over the different parts of the country and abroad as well. Ravi Shankar Tandavan as policy and advocacy chairman have been also helping in the orientation programs for all the chapter activity in a very large way. Two of my worthy vice presidents, both Ashish Rakeja and Dr. C. Velan, who are giants in the industry in their own sector, has been rendering substantial support, like Dr. Velan's contribution not only for the Chennai one or from Mumbai chapter. We had Sandeep Shikrit working for not only Mumbai but also Pune chapter, and now Ashish Rakeja working for the helping for the Delhi chapter to start off. So all my members and all the chairman and co-chair of all the verticals, I want to thank for their wonderful contribution they are doing in the sector. And mind you, you don't have a precedent. You're doing it all for the first time. Therefore, whatever you do, you're writing history in your own little way. So let me congratulate each one of you for what you're doing on that. And next year is going to be a very large activity. If we are going to close up with of the order of around 7 chapters by the end of this year, adding Delhi as well as Ahmedabad. My own thing is that we should have nothing less than about 25 chapters by the end of 2022, next AGM when we meet on that. If we have around 286 members now, by December, we should make it about 500 members minimum, we should have it. And by next year, when we meet over there, we should have membership of at least of the order of around 2,000, but I'll be happy if it is going to be about 3,000. I'm very confident it's going to happen because I've got some plans, because the membership and related is also going to open up, which will be one of the agenda points, which will be also shown that, and you will know that we are expanding large number of opportunities for every stakeholder to join in that, including corporate, institutional, everything is coming over there, international also, including individual and student membership. And we already have a few student members also having joined on that. So on that happy note, let me once again thank everybody for your gracious presence here. And I would request our worthy General Secretary, Mr. Narasimhan, to kindly roll out the agenda. AGM is a day primarily for the General Secretary and Treasurer, but I'm sure they're going to take it over from now on, and all your participation. Narasimhan, please take over. You're there?
Sir, you have to unmute.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much, President Sir, for your detailed address and the words of encouragement. I'm sure under a able leadership, we will achieve whatever that you had just mentioned. and we will move forward and become one of those formidable
25
organizations in India.
chapters and 2,500 members. Okay, that's what I said by next.
Yes, we will.
Thank
We
you.
will.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we move on with the next point in the agenda, adoption of accounts. The financial statement as well as the audit report was shared along with the call for the meeting. I'm sure members must have gone through them. And our treasurer, Mr. Satish Iyengar, is also available in case anybody has any seeks any clarification on that. Kindly you can address it, and we will make sure that it is.
Mamta, can you
the answer
share
is
it on the
given.
screen?
Yeah, let the treasurer.
Thank you,
roll it out.
Narasimhan. Mamta, can you share the thing?
Yes.
Let the treasurer
Our
roll it
audited
out.
balance sheet. These are sundry debtors
Yeah,
as of 31st March.
so you want
As
to
per the
take through
accounting
that sundry
practice.
debtors?
No, it's an accounting practice which has to be created. Those who are due for payments and who are to receive. So that's how it is carried forward. That's all. And in the next month, in the April, they automatically got cleared. So that's how it is. The
Would
next
you like
one.
to say areas where our financial strength can be enhanced? Would you like to give a brief indication, even though it's not, otherwise document is absolutely clear. Just, it'll give a
Yeah,
hope
yeah.
for all members. And their own
Yeah, as you
participation.
see, yeah, my colleagues and friends, our financial status is quite good for a 1-year-old baby. And our aim is that every webinar and every new chapter opening should have a sponsor, so that you build up a corpus fund which can be used for funding the various activities. Like we had a Chennai get together now, wherein the headquarters sent an advance money to the club for organizing the funds. Of course, they have got it covered up by a sponsorship, which is an excellent gesture from their end. The stage management as well as all the things were done by another sponsorship. So that expense is also Chennai has taken care of. My suggestion is that other chapters like Mumbai and Pune and Kerala should also encourage of getting sponsors for their webinars and for their programs, so that the expenses are gets covered and we build up a corpus which can always be used, because we have a fixed expenditure of about 60 to 70,000 now every month, which is including the accounts fees, our admin fees, and the Zoom charges, the creative charges, and all those put together. So what I suggest is we are on solid footing, and with the kind of stalwarts we have in the society, it should not be very difficult to get the sponsorship. In fact, you should look for some annual sponsorships for every chapter. You can have 4 or 5 annual sponsors
Good
which can
idea.
contribute, and they can continue being used for the program. That's what other societies are also doing. So we can
Very
also
good.
do that. Anyhow, let us go to the expense statement and the
Yeah.
which is being
So can we
now.
move the pay for adoption of the income and expenditure of the association for the period ending 31st March 2021 and the balance sheet and auditors report thereon? Would you like to move it?
That's
Sir, I
right.
propose it may be adopted, sir.
That's right. So can we have the two names, the proposer's name as
Somebody
well as.
should propose.
I
somebody-
propose Vijay Gupta from New Delhi.
Anji.
Thank you, Mr.
Yes.
Gupta. And any other
It's
members?
excellent job done, sir. You can record our appreciation.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Daruwala, is it Mr. Daruwala saying this?
No, it is.
Vijay Gupta,
Daruwala from
Mr.
Bombay,
Vijay
I
Gupta.
support it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
Right.
thank
you're
you.
right, he's right.
Thank you so much. So the financial accounts and the audit report gets adopted and the resolution is passed. Can we move on to the third point of the meeting? Mamata, please put up the agenda.
Please lift it up. It's not
Mamat.
moving. The screen is
Mamta,
not moving.
next, yeah.
So the third point for adoption is the annual budget, which has been prepared very carefully, taking into account the various events that we have planned for the year 21-22.
Mamta, can you project?
Lot of midnight oil has been burnt on this by the treasurer. So I'm sure with the support of all the members, we should be able to receive all the funds that has been mentioned over here, and that should take care of all the events that we have planned.
The very
Well,
positive
friends,
thing.
if you see the budget in the income state, we have mentioned that income from event sponsorship, that is including the chapter launch also. So
Yeah.
that is where we have little slip. I think those chapters will make it up very fast. I know Ajit sir and
Can we,
Apurva and then,
Satish, can you
definitely
just broadly indicate the large numbers? What is the total type of income to be generated? What is the type of expenditure? Then you get an idea on the total budget. Broadly, the big numbers,
Yeah. So
I'm sure.
Mamata,
At the end of it, the total in the next.
Mamata, go to the summary sheet,
second sheet.
second sheet.
That'll be what everybody will be interested.
That's right.
To know.
Yes.
That's right.
Yeah. Correct. So we have the whole thing for April 2021 to March 2022. Please go ahead, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah. You see, we are planning an increase, average average increase of about 15 to 20% every month
Uh-huh.
in the form of memberships, in the form of sponsorships, in the form of webinars and all that. So that is what we are. And as of today, we are on course. We are averaging around 12 to 15%. We are averaging now.
Okay.
I think we can
Around
improve on this, and we should have a corpus of at least around 18 to 19 lakhs by the year end, by the financial year end is what our projection is, and that should be possible.
So
If all the
gross income-
chapters and everybody
income-
puts up,
Gross income is around 20.48 lakhs
yes,
and the expenditure about 19.85.
Yes, sir.
Mota.
yes, sir.
That as an expenditure, as a percentage of the total one is also indicated there. Good. I think, would you like to get any suggestion besides adopting the budget? Would you like to have any other
Yeah,
suggestions?
anybody has any questions, any suggestions, any
Yeah.
comments, please welcome.
Yeah,
You're welcome, sir.
we will definitely approve the budget, but that's the end of it. But if there are any suggestions, let's welcome it. AGM is an opportunity to get the best ideas.
So I would request the gentleman to the member to mention his name and who
No email has come.
sorry.
Anyone want to suggest something?
If you have received, you also forward so that I
Yes.
could might be if this email ID is wrong, then it will be difficult.
Jayalakshmi madam, you had some comments last time.
Yes.
You were mentioning to me, you can please speak up.
No, I just want to understand that
Hello?
whether.
Even out of the box suggestions, you can make it. Anything
Yeah,
that
when
can
we
make
are,
it professional body
to make a
strong.
corpus funding, I think, no, this Mr. Anantu is, Atanu is talking to somebody else, I think. If Mamta, yeah.
Requesting all other members to mute their mic, please, so that the person raising the question can be answered. Yes.
So
Then
make a
there is
better
we come on the
corpus
screen. Yeah,
funding.
there is we come on
So
the
my
screen. Go ahead.
suggestion is when we are meeting, monthly meetings we have planned now. So one meeting offline, one meeting online we have confirmed nowadays. So this offline meeting when we are conducting, so we want to collect some sort of funding like 400 rupees, 500 rupees as a membership, for the expenditure, and there also we can save some money. If somebody is sponsoring the place also when we are collecting the funding, so that every month we will have some sort of money as a corpus funding for the chapter. So just want to take your permission on that.
Thank you, madam. It's a very good suggestion. What I would request you is to just send a mail to the managing council
Yes.
detailing this suggestion of yours. We'll take it up in the meeting and then come back to you with the
Yeah.
Yeah,
the
as it
details.
is related to the finance, I thought I will just make
Yeah.
Sure. That's a good
As a
suggestion.
finance chair,
even
as the chair of
even
finance,
one more
madam, you
point
please
is
send it.
like, in
And,
Karnataka,
Yeah,
Yeah, let Jayalakshmi finish. Jayalakshmi finish. Go ahead, Jayalakshmi.
so and second point, what I want, I will send the mail on that also.
Yeah.
In Karnataka, all the women associations join together. There is a group called Ubuntu. And any government funding, most of the time it goes through that particular association. So as a focus member, myself and Manjula, we want to join that forum so that we can be part of that. Any government events and any funding from government, it will be easy for us to tap in.
Very
So
nice.
that's that, yeah.
Very nice. That is a good suggestion. I would request you to take it up with the regional director, Mr. Dominic,
Yes,
who can understand these details with
That's
you and
an
share the
additional
details.
Yes,
idea.
I'm sending
Like
an
being part
email. I'm sending an email on that. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Any other member needs any clarification? Otherwise, we move
Satish was
forward.
telling something. Satish was telling something.
no, madam, that's what, if you put the mail as a finance chair, we will definitely look into this and give you back a reply on that immediately.
Definitely, because we want to make every chapter, we want to sustain and we want to grow. Like, we should be independently, we should be able to run our chapter. That is the thing we should
Not
aim
only
for.
sustainable, it should be resilient.
Yes,
That's the new
yes.
buzzword.
That's right. That's
So
right.
sustaining and growing.
Yes,
Yes,
all
yes.
suggestions are welcome. This forum, every
Yeah.
suggestion that we receive, we take it up in the management council meeting, and then we definitely come back.
I think one area Pressure Sahib and the General Secretary can keep in view is how best through our chapters there, because all chapter people are also very active people there. How you can also be very actively associated with the concerned city government or local government or the state government or enterprises or authorities who are dealing with the construction development issues, etc. And then they'll increasingly understand focus is an important body of relevance. And whatever they are doing is going to be for the good of the state government and the city government. And I'm sure that will also help us to get associated with a large amount of programs on their behalf. We can also organize. It is also an opportunity for us to grow into a large way.
Sure,
Yeah,
sir.
I would
Sure.
like to add
actually-
Sure.
that
No,
every
sir, actually-
chapter, there is a CWC member who's on the finance committee from
Okay.
every chapter. He is already there.
For example,
Yes.
For example, I liked both Jayalakshmi ma'am as well as Kali Rajan trying to bring NSIC as part of the, NSIC is a very major organization of small scale industries in a large way for also SME and all that. And therefore associated with such organization also will make the growth of the one, and they will understand the relevance of us. And both the people who spoke and all within a day or two, each of the Bangalore event followed by the Chennai event over there, I could see both the general manager and NSIC spoke so well about the potential of focus and how we can be associated with their particular work. And only idea is that
Sure.
that's another way. Besides what you do as professional body, also our work, how it can impact the city development, building development, etc.
Sure.
Sir,
Sure.
Mr. Suresh, I just to add it to your suggestion, we had a CWC meeting today, and we have already selected elected the vice chairperson, and the people, like 3 people we have selected, who will be closely, we all will be working towards with the government, and by November we want to give some suggestions and the papers to
Good.
government of Karnataka. At least minimum some 2 verticals will be addressing to government of Karnataka by November.
They'll be
Thank you,
happy to
thank you.
support.
Target what we have
Thank
done.
you.
They'll be
Thank you
very
very
happy to
much.
support. And Kannada government, I see in many events, they support very well, especially if you have some
Yes.
concrete plan of action. Any other
Thank
suggestions? Any other suggestions? Others?
The Kalarajan sir wanted to talk something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Kalarajan
yeah.
sir?
He was telling me.
Yeah, Chandrasekhar, Sagira Chandrasekhar here. Sir, Satish sir, Chandrasekhar here. That
Yeah.
money that you have around 18 lakh rupees in the account, is it kept as cash, or can you, if it is kept as cash, can you transfer it
No,
to?
no, no, that is the
Yeah.
budgeted figure. We don't have the money in our hands today. It is a budget.
Okay, right.
Based on the
Thank
events that we have planned, so we should be having that kind of money.
That's
So
a
gentlemen,
projection.
yeah.
It's
So-
Okay, thanks, sir.
it is the annual budget projection. Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, members. If any further suggestions you have, please share it with us. You can send it on www, or you can send it to admin@ourfocus.co, so that we can consider them and come back to
Good.
you with the suggestions. Thank you
So
so
let us
much.
move
So can we move, or can we move forward? So somebody has to adopt the budget, and so we need a proposer and a seconding person. So can I have the 2 names, please, for this?
Ajit sir is proposing.
Okay. And the second person,
I can
Second.
second that. I can second that.
thank you very much.
Jayalakshmi is seconding.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you.
I am seconding Lalit Gabne.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So we move on to the 4th point of our meeting agenda. Mamata, please put up the, so the appointment of auditors. So this year, the books of
Why
accounts,
don't you make it bigger so that you can read?
yeah, just
Why
zoom it
should
up.
I put in a bigger font?
Is it
is.
readable, sir? No?
It is
No?
Not
Okay.
at all.
little more, yeah, that's
Make
right.
it bigger, make it bigger.
So
Only
we-
that agenda item only should be there for the members.
Okay.
Better, is much better now.
So we need to adopt elect the chartered accountant for the coming year, appoint the chartered accountant for the coming year. So this year of accounts has been excellently done by Mr. Tarun Kothari and Associates. So it is suggested that we continue with the same chartered accountant to consider, and if thought fit, to pass with or without modification the following resolution, that the association hereby appoints Mr. Tarun Kothari and Associates
First login.
I
as
propose that,
auditor.
sir.
Thank you so much. It is proposed by Mrs.
Sir, how much we are paying? How much we are paying annually to our chartered accountant?
Satish sir?
How much
Yeah.
we are paying annually?
Yeah, please, you tell that.
Mr. Satish Angar?
He has to unmute.
Okay. So
Yeah. We are
uh,
paying annually for him for the balance sheet and all. We are paying him auditing. We are paying around 25,000. Now,
That's reasonable.
initially for the first 2 years, later on as the society grows and the workload increases, then it will be renegotiated.
But
as
we are
of now,
doing
it
at
is
the
25,000.
same scale. Like what we
Yes.
did last year, we are doing the same scale. That's what you mean, Satish Iyengar,
Yes.
sir? Same 25,000 per
Yes,
year.
sir.
So we are
Yes, sir.
continuing with the same terms, please?
yes,
Yes, sir.
same
Yes, sir.
terms.
Yes.
Same
Okay,
terms.
fine. Good.
Thank you so much. So it is proposed by Mrs. Vijayalakshmi.
Jayalakshmi.
Jayalakshmi Venkat
And
Narayan.
I can second it.
I seconded.
Okay.
Thank you so
I'm-
much.
I'm
Praful
seconding.
Naik, Mr. Praful Naik seconds it. Praful
Thank-
Naik.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr.
Correct.
Naik. We move on to the fifth
Full night
point.
from Mumbai.
Yeah, I know, sir.
Thank you so much. Mamata, scroll it. We move on to the fifth point of the agenda to approve the various categories of membership. So as we started,
Can
yes,
you, Mamta, can you project that?
Yes.
when we started this association, we had 6 categories of membership. We started it. The individual member, the corporate member, the fee structure is also mentioned over there. Scroll it, Mamata. We had yes, please scroll it. We had the international member, the government member, the honorary member, as well as the student member. These are the 6 categories of memberships that we started the association. With that, we have reached about 286 as on date. So these members are the honorary member is over the year as we come across some eminent person that we would be electing, and then in the coming year when we celebrate the annual function, one of the selected member given the honorary membership for in focus. Other than that, the efforts are on to bring in more membership by the various chapters and the development council chairs and vice chairs. I'm sure with their effort, this membership will increase. But we also felt with the suggestions that we have received over the last 1 year that we need to add few more categories of membership, which was discussed in our management council, the development council, as well as in the governing council meeting. And as per the suggestions which were given, we have adopted a resolution over there. We want to place that resolution, the board resolution, in this meeting with the permission of our president, Mr. V. Suresh.
Yes, because it has to go to the articles and memoranda association as to change. Doesn't
Yes.
Register as
So
society, so you require the clearance of that.
That's
Why
right,
don't you
sir.
indicate what that is not shown.
It's
Something
coming.
else is
It's
shown.
coming. No, this is the existing membership. We are adding. Mamata, bring in the board resolution. Now this is where we are adopting. This is the board resolution which was passed on 20th of September. So there are four categories of memberships being added. The institutional members, wherein the membership fees will be 10,000 rupees in the first year. It will be 7,000 for registration plus 3,000 membership fee. The second category of membership being added is the international institutional members. There have been a lot of, as our president mentioned in his talk, there have been a lot of international members or individuals who have been showing interest in our organization. Apart from the individuals who have shown organization, some major institutional members have also shown their interest to join Focus. So we are introducing the international institutional membership category in this meeting, followed by the international corporate member. There are many corporate international members who have shown interest.
They can pay more. They can pay more.
They can pay more. They're ready to pay more and to join the membership. So we are adding the international corporate membership as one more category in this meeting. And also we are opening up the student membership for international students as such, keeping the fees as low as possible to $10 to US, so that more student members can join us, because youth is the future and they have a lot of ideas to share. I'm sure this will enable them to join our Focus and give an impetus to the movement that we have started. These are the 4 types of the membership category which is being adopted in this meeting. And earlier, one more point which also needs a ratification or the amendment in the memorandum of association that was earlier submitted to the registrar of societies is that the regional director's position is being re-christened as regional chairman position. So we have 4 regional chairs, the East, West, and North, South. For South, we have Mr. KP Dominic as the regional chairman. And so we are adding.
Well, Sandeep Shikre from West Bola now.
Sandeep Shikre for West, and 2 more chairmen are expected to be joining at Delhi.
Ashish
and
Rakeja
Calcutta.
is, okay, the other 2 name, correct.
Yes, so 2 more to join. So we are in the process of appointing them. So with this board resolution is to be adopted in the AGM. I would request a proposer and a seconding person for this particular adoption of the resolution.
Sir, I have a small suggestion, submission to the AGM members.
Yeah.
Can we think of giving a life membership also? Every society has a life membership.
Yeah,
Can
but
we think on that, sir?
Are we a little too early for that?
No, sir, no. Actually, it should have started with the birth of our society. As you know,
I
in the
know.
Institute of Engineers, earlier they were giving life. I think Suresh Saab, you know it better.
I know, but
we
I
have
think
the member chairman is that Ravi Shankar. Probably Ravi Shankar can respond to this question. Ravi, if you are there, probably after he finishes question, you can respond to it.
Yeah, please, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
it's a good suggestion. We thought of that. I do remember with many people say we just
discussed
born.
this.
Don't think of when it comes of a little age, 3-4 years or 5 years, then people have continuously contributed to the growth of that. Then we think of the life membership. Beginning say whether that was the thought process, but I'm sure Vijay, when he raises that particularly, yes, keeps a new other institutional.
No,
bodies which
we
are
had
not
another
like-
issue of life member is, what is it term? Is it for 7 years? Is it the 14 years? Life is still time period, still is, what do you say that? But what is the limit of life membership? Is it 7 years, 14 years?
Generally 10 years. Generally 10 years.
Normally in other professional societies and institutions, it is given 10 times. So suppose you are taking 1,000 per annum. So it is a simple thing, multiply by 10. If anybody pays 10,000, it becomes a life member.
I think it's a good idea.
I think you can consider, sir, this point.
Okay.
We should have.
How many years? You said
Yeah,
10
I
years.
intervene.
10 years.
Permitted
Sir,
by the chairman.
you take the payment of 10 times and it becomes a life member.
Lalit ji wants to say, Lalit Gabani sir wants to say something.
Sir, can I add here? Ishre, Ashre, FSI, none of them have this. Now they have removed it. Actually, they have removed it.
Sir,
Okay,
okay.
again and again, Focus is an independent society. We don't need to follow any other society that is following. We have our own discipline that we can bring in. If somebody proposes a life membership, why not we adopt it? We don't have to say FSI doesn't have, so we don't have. No, I am against that. Following any other society.
No,
Let's
I'm
follow all societies.
I am also in agreement with Vijay's suggestion. A 10 times multiplier is a good amount. Saying that means it also shows that the person is ready to continue association instead of paying every year for 10 years. If he's able to do that now, it shows his deep involvement and attachment for the particular thing. There's a lot of merit in what he said over there. He has also given a good basis on that. And now Ravi has also joined. Anything on membership, our architect to decide on the particular thing or to give in background is Ravi. Ravi Shankar Tandavan has joined, our chairman for policy advocacy. Would you
And
like
membership.
to respond to Vijay Gupta's suggestion of life membership?
Yes, sir. I think what Mr. Vijay Gupta has suggested is a very good point. There are several, I think, who may be interested in taking up this, life membership. There is nothing wrong in offering that. I think it's a good suggestion. We should discuss this and immediately take it up.
Yeah, we can
Great.
take it. This is the right time because that's exactly what AGM does. It has already gone through your Apex Management Council, it has gone through a governing council. It is now with all that come over here. So when they approve that, they approved everything with an addition of life membership to be also brought into it. So that will be the new decision coming up. After this resolution, the most important one.
So
Thank
I
you,
second
Mr.
it.
Gupta.
I second it because it will make our life easier because we don't need to follow up on membership. If somebody give a life membership, we have to welcome it. And I second the
So
proposal.
what could be the amount? Let's decide straight away. He has given a formula.
Sir, we can think of 20,000.
20,000.
How much is now the
20.
membership for the individual members?
It is 1,500. Individual members is 1,500 per year.
So shall we make it 10,000?
Sir,
Ten
if
is
you
less,
say-
sir.
If it is 1,500 per annum, enhanced one, so it should
Sir,
be
we
10
can
times,
make
that
it
is 15,000.
20,000 is a good suggestion.
20,000 is a bit
I
more.
have one, I
So
have
it
one
should be, it should
suggestion
be
here.
10 times what you are paying annually.
So
And sir, if
15,000.
you collect annually and you see the segregated expenditure, it comes to the same thing.
I
I think 20,000 is a correct figure.
15 is okay.
I think 20,000 is a correct figure because it
Okay,
is a
let's get
permanent.
Sir, I am
liability
happy with
for the
15,000.
forum.
20,000 appears to be little more.
One, yeah,
And
one,
there is-
one
there
by
is
one,
no
one
good
by.
number, sir.
Let's
15,000
get-
is a good number.
Array, no crosstalk. Let a suggestion come. There's a good. Vijay has suggested, let's make it 15,000, not 20,000. He said not 20, 15. Let's get our
15,
other ideas now. Please
GST.
go ahead.
Sir, plus GST.
Of course, that will come in any case.
So
Plus
that
GST
becomes
will come.
18,000.
It's
So then any
understandable.
other suggestion?
15,000 plus GST or any taxes, it is understandable.
Yeah.
Understandable?
I think
The threat
I
in
come in.
issuing life membership in the early stages is that most people will opt for taking life membership. It is cheaper, and then you will not get assured year-on-year income.
Lalitji, we are not making it cheaper. 1,500 rupees per month a year is what we are having now for membership. 15,000 plus GST comes out 18,000. It is not cheap. I can understand if it is offered at 5,000 rupees life membership. No, we are doing it very consciously. Therefore, Vijay Gupta's suggestion is very logical, very rational, and I think we could adopt that particular thing on that. So if there seems a consensus on that, your concern is very well placed, Lalit. We are not making it cheaper so that
Yeah.
people will pay and then won't pay for later.
Yes.
Sir, Ajit. Sir, Ajit
Sir,
sir
I
has
have
raised his
a-
hand.
Okay.
Question
Want
Can I,
to
can I,
talk?
to-
Yeah,
can I
please.
come in? Ajit here, can I
Yes,
come in?
please, yes, sir, please talk. Sir.
Yeah, Ajit, go ahead.
Okay.
Ajit, go ahead.
I think this concept about this life membership is excellent. I'm sure that I think like what some people are saying that, 15,000 plus GST, making it 18,000 total. I think there should be a best, not much than that, 15,000. One more thing I think like many organizations have, you can also become founder member. Even though they were not a member at the start, I know even in IGBC, like even after 10 years, people can become founder member after paying a larger amount of thing. Like for example, instead of say 5,000, if they pay 50,000 or whatever amount.
In our case, Ajit, founder members are 13 in number who are the one who created this body, and each one of them paid the membership. Nobody has got it free. Everybody has paid that particular subscription amount,
Exactly.
enroll fee.
I'm just
That's
saying.
one healthy decision we took. We took a very healthy decision that each one of us will contribute, all the 30. So other than 13, we can't have founder members coming later like other professional bodies have. They have different reasons where industry people want to come over there, but we don't have that in our system on that. Okay.
Oh, fine.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was
One suggestion.
Concept.
Regarding the life membership, I think they should have the same rights as an individual member, not connected to corporate membership.
no, they will have individual members. Yes,
Yeah,
you're right.
naturally.
So we will-
Individual member.
Yeah, we will frame out the terms and the details of the benefits of a individual member, a life member separately, and work out on that. So
Yeah.
thank you very
as far
much.
as resolution, we adopt whatever has been presented, plus we bring it out very clearly based on suggestion by Mr. Vijay Gupta. The life membership has been brought in over there, and with the total the payment of 10 times the individual one, which is 1,500, 15,000 plus the
Plus
GST.
GST.
component.
Yeah. So I would.
Same benefit as individual members. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. So Mr. Vijay
Thank you,
Gupta,
Mr. President.
What is
Thank
the
you very
time
much.
period? What is the time period?
10
How many
years.
years?
10 years.
For
No,
life.
it is a life period.
Life
Till
period.
lifetime.
Once it is a one-time payment.
And most of the people who join at that level would be people who would already reach some level. You know what I'm trying to say in life. So if you're able to get them even for the 10 years amount today, and mind you, that amount you're getting today, imagine the type of growth of that money that will be coming
Very right,
over
sir.
there.
Very right, sir. Very
40
right.
and 30 years.
Actually, I want to add one thing here, sir, as a chairman of a chapter, that will ease of our life to get the members, in a sustained manner. And we can concentrate on getting new members year on year. Otherwise,
Correct.
next year, my concentration will be how to get this 100 members back into the, chapter. That
Very
itself
right,
is-
very right.
that will
Kalivanan
take
is
a lot of
absolutely right. So,
I agree,
if you're
sir.
trying-
Sir,
very
annual
right.
membership will also
Brilliant
remain open,
solution.
sir.
It will remain. It
Yeah,
will remain
It will
open.
remain,
So it
but
will be the
but
choice
life
of the member,
membership-
either he becomes annual
life
member or
membership
the
will
life
ease,
member.
life membership will make my life easier.
yes,
Exactly.
definitely.
If
And
I am
our
able to
pocket
get 50
expenditure
life
will also be
members,
less.
You don't
Yeah,
have to
Yes.
go for renewal. You don't have to go for renewal at the end of each
Yeah.
year.
Yeah, sir,
Okay,
actually
thank you.
in Bangalore, first chapter, we have already got one renewal is pending in November. So already that person, I am in
Yeah.
talk with him.
Thank you.
So-
Yes, thank you very,
Just
very
a
much,
minute.
madam.
Mr.
Can we
Secretary,
somebody
just
move
a
the
minute.
agenda item and we'll adopt that?
Let us more.
Mr. President, I have just one point.
Yes, please.
Architect Ajit actually brought out a very interesting point. Rather than saying no, I think the management should debate that and then take a decision. I think we should record the fact that Architect Ajit proposed adding founding members to the existing members.
It will come. It definitely come. This meeting is being recorded.
It was clarified.
Yeah,
This
It
is
was clarified that it was clarified in our context. The founding members are one who are the founding members who are signatories for the formation of society. We can't add them later. We'll bring it out.
so.
Okay,
This meeting is being recorded, so the minutes of the meeting will be prepared and circulated. All these points will come in that.
So can we move agenda item on
Mr.
membership?
President, I have to say one thing. I beg to differ, please pardon me for that. Founding members, those who started this, our association society, you cannot have even a single founding member after that.
Yeah, that's exactly what we
Yes, sir.
decided, sir.
So founding member, you can't, at any stage of time, you can't add it, sir.
That's right. We are
That's
not
already
adding. sir.
decided.
Yeah.
It's already clarified and he has accepted.
Founding member is,
Okay,
that
let me make it clear. He's talking in the context of another professional body called the Indian Green Building Council, where founding members are the one who paid, industry representatives who paid an amount of 3 lakhs for joining on the project as founding member. And that particular thing is kept continuously for anybody to join because they knew the green building movement. Now they want to also join with the particular one. Therefore, there's a provision for that. In our case, it's not the same. It's not the same. As Dominic rightly said, we are an exclusive body of our own, and therefore that particular thing will not be applied. And Ajit has agreed. Ajit understood and he agreed on that.
Yes.
Just one clarification. Is there any difference between the founding member and normal member in terms of their what is the difference? Because just by making something
they'll be represented on the Apex Council. They are there on the meeting.
They are the signatories on the memorandum of association, and so they are part of the Apex development as well as the governing council.
I think what Ajit sir says, after some time, when the evaluation, when we go, that time when these people either retire or thing, that time what will be the stature? There must be a body, Apex body, which for what he says is that is actually attracting higher cost. So that person can become a founding member later so that he can be that in the Apex body. That is what I think was meant. But I just wanted to see clarification because the 13 members, after some time, some of them retire or something they feel, then
Yes.
how will that be taken forward years to come?
That is right, Mr. Kannan. I accept your point. That is what we decided that we will discuss in the management council and we'll come up with our suggestion to that recommendation.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we
I'm
had
very
Mr.
happy. What I like is the AGM is
I would like to
really.
clarify that individual membership is 1,000 rupees plus tax, not 1,500 rupees. It is 1,000 rupees plus tax.
No, that is the annual fee. 500 rupees is the joining fee. So 1,500 is the first year.
Yeah, first year.
Yeah.
Annual
After
renewal
that, it is only 1,000
rupees plus tax.
So then would you like to make it 15,000 or 10,000?
Sir, I would request 1,000 rupees multiply into 10 plus taxes.
I think I'm glad you clarified because people thought it's 1,500.
Then it will
Vijay
be
Gupta
10,000 plus tax.
Vijay Gupta sir.
Sir, it is okay, sir. If it is 1,000, so 1,000 into 10, that 10,000 plus GST, that is okay, sir. I am fine with that.
Okay,
That's
so
the joining
we
fee.
decide it was 15,000 plus the GST. We make it 10,000 plus GST as the decision for life membership. So with
Yes,
this
sir.
particular
I stand corrected, sir. Thank you.
Very good. And this
Sir, I have a
particular-
doubt. Sir, I have a
Joining
doubt.
fees
If
remains.
first time only
Yeah.
the person is joining.
So he has to pay the 500 rupees as the joining fee, along with the 10,000 for the first fee of 500 for joining has to be paid.
Obviously,
1,500,
he does not have, if he is already.
Narasimhan sir,
individual, he does
admission
not
fee
have
is 1,500, not
Don't be-
500.
1,500,
be
it is not
bureaucratic.
Sorry,
500.
sorry, I say 1,500. That's right. 1,500.
1,500 is for individual members. He is already a member and he is converting that membership from individual status to that of a life member status. And you're good point. If he's going to be joining for the first time as a life member right in the beginning, then it will be 500 plus the 10,000.
1,500. 1,500. Not 500.
11,500.
Not 1,500.
Sir, 1,500 is the joining fee. 1,500 is the joining fee, and 1,000 rupees is the annual membership fee. So the first time a member joins, he pays 2,500 plus GST.
Correct.
So now, if you are charging 10,000 rupees as an annual as the lifetime membership,
And all
then
the 1,500.
10,500 plus GST. So 11,500 plus GST. That is where it is.
Got it.
So thank you very much.
No. But what will happen is, large number of people already, individual members already joined. They have paid the 1,500 already.
Correct.
They have been paying the 1,000 rupees membership fee annual. So that particular, when they want to convert that to a new one,
Yeah.
they pay only the 10,000. They won't be
10,000.
asked to pay another 1,500 because they already paid.
No,
that.
they need
Okay.
not. They need
Yeah.
not. Yeah.
Clarification is necessary. So
Very
will
true,
somebody
sir.
move the resolution and adopt it?
Mr. Vijay Chauhan has proposed this, and
Vijay Chauhan or Vijay Gupta?
Vijay Gupta. Sorry.
Sir, just a minute, Narasimhan, just a minute. Mr. Kannan asked if there is any difference between founding member and other members.
So I clarified.
All the founding members paid for
I
their
already
first year
clarified that,
fee, which
Ravi.
is 2,000.
We have already clarified
Just
that.
a minute.
We have clarified that point.
I did all that. That's all clarified.
Just a minute. I have a clarification to make. The founding members paid the first year fee. After that, for lifetime, their membership is free. That is the difference between founding members
Okay. For the
and other
13 people.
members.
For the 13 people.
Yes, for those 13 people, it is free after the first year. They don't have to pay because they are founding members.
Okay, that's the difference. Okay, you're right.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Can
Thanks
we
for the
have
clarification?
the name of the person seconding this?
I can
Yeah,
second
Vijay
that.
Okay. Thank you, Mr.
Yogesh,
Yogesh.
I am seconding.
You'll have to make a proper draft for this. What is this membership? How it is going to be? Then only you can adopt this. You
I think
cannot
already
just adopt
clarified.
it.
Now, life member is one who are ready to pay the total. It is
only a
individual member
recommendation.
who wants to
You have
supply
to-
life membership. That, of course, particular thing would be clearly there, along with whatever be the document there, which is come on to the for approval. We are adding one more component called a life member. Any individual member, by paying this particular member, they will become a life member. That's it. That's all.
Sir, when you
And
are
what is the
making
amount?
MOA, in the MOA, we have to modify this.
That has to be
Make,
modified.
take it as a recommendation, then next AGM or next meeting, you will have to adopt this.
This has to be adopted
No,
only in the AGM.
Yeah, I don't understand. No next meeting. It's adopted today. When we are adopting all the membership of international member, institutional member, student member, we are adding one more. That is what AGM is all about. AGM is the most powerful body. AGM is the most powerful body. In their wisdom, they have said that you have brought some good recommendation. All of them are fine. We clear it. In addition to that, we want one more thing to be added, what is called the life membership. So with the decision of the AGM one, we put that our resolution will have the individual, the life membership also getting added. That's all. No
That's it.
further, one more meeting and coming back and all that. It's already
We have to
decided.
just modify the resolution. That's all.
That's all.
Okay.
It's not adding, modification.
Thank you.
No, just sir, because now people who are all here, who are not the founding members and paid the fees, okay, now they want to upgrade themselves. So that means will they have to pay full 10,000 separately, or it has to be the balance amount of 9,000?
No, they have to pay the 10,000 for the next 10 years or the whole life period beyond now.
Sir, here I want to make a little clarification. Today I am a annual member and I want to become the life member.
Yeah.
So I need to pay 10,000 plus GST. Irrespective of what I have paid annually that is okay.
Yes, when the time for the renewal comes in your case, you can you can move over to become a life member.
No,
So
why does he have to wait till renewal? He can do it right away.
Any time, any annual
Anytime
member
he
can
do
become
that.
the
He
life
doesn't
member
have to
anytime.
wait till renewal.
Okay. I think we have adopted that. It's
This
fine.
rider should be added in that amendment, sir, from the AGM.
Okay.
sure, you can
Very
do
good.
that. Yes. Thank you so much. We come to the end of the agenda points. So
One
with-
minute. We have finished item number 5. We are coming to
Yes.
item number 6, which is called other points.
So-
Any matters, any
So-
regarding
Yeah,
information of
I would like-
So we
Can I-
adopted. This is the point that we added in the number as the adoption of the bylaws, the memorandum of association that we have adopted just now. That was the point number 6.
I think
Narasimhan sir,
I would
Ajit
like
sir has
to-
raised his hands. Ajit
President
sir
sir,
wants to add.
President sir, there are certain chat window also somebody can go through. Members have raised certain concerns. So can we look into those concerns also before we adopt it?
Which one?
Chat
What
window,
concerns?
in the chat window, people have already given their
I am
concerns.
going through that.
Can we read it out and then,
No, I
that
don't
also
understand. I
response
don't
can
want to
be
go through a
discussed.
chat at this point of time. This is an
Then
AGM.
give them
where
the chance
everybody's
to
present.
speak, sir.
Everybody's
They have raised their
present.
hands.
No, everybody's
They have raised their
present.
hands, give them the chance to speak.
No, we are giving opportunity to everybody to talk now. It will be very difficult for us to be. It's a communication forum there. Somebody has raised it, and we have gone through everyone. What is the issue? Please bring it out. If
You
anybody
can
has
speak.
raised it,
Those who
let the gentleman who was raised on chat box. Who has raised in chat box?
Mr. Sagiraju Chandrasekhar.
Let Chandrasekhar talk.
Yeah, good evening, sir. I had raised that query and it was answered.
So you can remove your the hand that you have raised in case.
Done.
Okay,
So-
anything else?
Mr. Balamurugan,
Ajit sir has raised his hands.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'm Bala from Unimax Chennai.
Yeah.
Mr. President, I think if you are changing it to a life membership, there should be some privileges to be given to the life member when compared to a normal member.
Yeah,
This is
he
my
does not have to pay any further membership till his whole life. Simple.
So that is okay. Apart
That's
from
it.
it, there should be some privileges has to be given because
That
there
later
will
on
be a
we'll see how to respect that, how to give a position, or when you say it's an important life member, when you put over there of focus, you can put it in your card, you can put various things, and whether you want to utilize that position of life membership for giving other benefits on committees and other related, these are things on which we'll develop over a period. We won't have answers to all that immediately at this point of time, Murugan, I'm sure. These are things where a baby is just born, 1 year old. We will 1 year old in 6 days from now. So I'm sure your point is well taken. These are things which our good friend Ravi said. Some of those particular things can be looked into separately to decide on what, but that will not change the articles and memorandum association, because if that request to be amended, that requires the AGM's clearance on that. Those are further details on what all things we can bring out. I'm sure a group can work into it. Some of the points that was told, which Ravi agreed that our committee can go into that.
Yes.
I think
Ajit sir, yes.
I would like to comment. See, last time I am really echoing the suggestion made by Jayalakshmi ji. Last time she said, but then we could not take a decision. That is bringing in construction finance as an additional vertical. I've been talking to many people.
That we can do it. That will not have a change. We can do one thing. We can discuss that.
Probably we should.
The governing council meeting.
Yeah, because what I am saying is this is something very important. Construction finance is an extremely important part of this thing. This is something I would like to say.
Yes.
I also like to inform you a proposal we would like to put from the Cochin chapter. I mean Kerala chapter is that one thing is we would like to probably hold a conference, an international conference on electrical safety along with energy efficiency for buildings. And in this, people like association like International Copper Association and also SEEM, that is Society for Energy Efficiency.
They'll be all be happy.
They'll
be very happy to take that suggestion of yours.
So can we do that?
International Conference on Electrical and Energy.
Electrical, see, what I said is safety in electrical, electricals, and this will be supported means from the point of speakers in the International Copper Association will participate in this thing. That's called ICAA and also SEEM, and of course we would look at IGBC
Very
also.
good.
These for
I'm sure Dominic will be very happy as events in charge to deal this particular good proposal coming on that. And this particular thing of your, there are two components to your suggestion. One suggestion was to bring, along with the 21 verticals we have, you and Madam Jayalakshmi have suggested that construction finance is an important component. I think we all agree with that particular thing, and we will do that particular thing, and that doesn't require any change in the articles and memorandum of association.
It's already there in the vertical.
Excellent. It's very good.
We'll do that.
My sincere request would be, it's all these suggestions, if you can put it in writing and send it across to us. We have this monthly management council meeting, so we can deliberate.
Don't make it tough here. They already made a suggestion of concern.
No,
what is there to be given in writing?
No, no, sir.
There are
I'm not
21 verticals there. They want to add a new vertical concern finance. Full stop. This is already made by Bangalore, echoed by Kerala chapter.
No.
Full stop. That's it. So we'll do
that. This is an AGM, so other suggestions I was just mentioning. Other suggestions, if members have, they can always share with us.
Sure.
We can take it up because this the AGM, we have several points for discussion. So we thought my suggestion is that kindly share your thoughts and your suggestions so that we can take it up in the management council meeting. Yeah.
So I have
that
some
brings.
suggestion on the brochure. So can I?
Madam, we can, as I said, kindly share, because this is an AGM where not many people are involved.
This because it take time.
Yeah, it will. So we will definitely, as I said, kindly share your suggestions. We will definitely seriously think on that and come back with it.
So we have
finished.
We have finished up this. Let's go systematically.
Yeah, we completed.
Don't mix up. We got an agenda item up to 6. We are covered there. Is there any other point anybody want to raise that? Very briefly mention it, because today is not the time for discussing that in detail. You please bring out what the issue is. We'll cover that. Okay. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah, this is Bose actually. Is there any other mileage for a corporate member?
Corporate members?
Because we started looking for corporate membership also together. So is there any additional mileage or anything for a corporate member?
Yeah, our chairman will respond, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ravi.
Thank you.
Ravi?
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. See, the thing is, we are still working out various fits and advantages that we want to give to corporate members and all that. We are still very young, so we haven't yet put up something that we can offer. These are things that we are working on. Please understand that this was started during lockdown. So we've not really had an opportunity to discuss on those lines. But the fact of the matter is, we don't have to go out of our way to sell a corporate membership or get a corporate membership. This is not an association to make money or anything. The fact of the matter is, any corporate, any organization where the owner is unable to participate on a day-to-day basis is a company that decides to become a corporate because they can nominate 2 other people to represent the organization. Point number 1. Point number 2 is that there are organizations which have a certain amount of organizational ego. They don't want to be individual members. Organizations which think that it is important for them, for their stature, to be in line with, whatever that they think they have as a stature in the society. Such organizations can become corporate members.
Correct.
We are not going out telling people that, no, you become a corporate member. Don't be an individual member. No, that is not what we are doing.
But I think in the suggestion that he has given, as you clarified there, it's a very good point that he has raised. What can be done
Yes,
is,
sir, we have to work on those. We haven't.
Said, you will get into it in detail. For example, so many events that comes over there, their logo can come, various things we can.
Dominic wants to say something.
Mr. Dominic is already working on those, sir.
Okay.
The event chair is already working on various
Ravi,
benefits that corporate members will get. So I request Mr. KP Dominic to now answer.
Yeah, I will just add why one should become a corporate member. It's very simple. We are going to create a network, page in our website where if I'm a corporate member, the logo will be displayed, and anybody in the search when you go, all the corporate logos will be moving, and when you click, you can go to their website and interact on the business. If you are an individual member, you are there in the directory, and you will get a certain advantage over the corporate member will get over the individual member are more mileage, high visible of your business, nature of business in the website and other forum and other network meeting. So that's a major advantage being a corporate member and individual member. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Dominic. Thank you, Ravi. So we come to the end of this AGM. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for all the participation and the suggestions that all of you gave. On behalf of Focus, I thank each one of you for taking out time to attend today's meeting. We had some very positive discussion, some very good suggestion. These you are welcome to send your suggestions more to us
I think you should recognize the good suggestions from Vijay Chandole. He said, I'm going to share the list of colleges and contact numbers on 9 to 10 states for civil engineering and other students who can become student members. So it shows one of our members very active interest to enhance the. So let's put on record because you missed that because it's already come. I think Mamta or somebody should have said instead of sending it on a WhatsApp message. My job in the meeting is not see WhatsApp messages. Okay, and then and there you should bring to the notice of concerned people there, like what do you call chat box, which is brought by Kalirajan rightly. So it's a good one. So let's place on record appreciation to Vijay Chandole for his offer to enhance the student membership of 10 states he has indicated. What can be done on that?
Thank you.
Positive one. Welcome it. Thank you.
Welcome, Mr. Chandole. Thank you very much for your suggestion. We appreciate the involvement and the.
And somebody want to have a copy of the financial ones already circulated.
It is
documents which are already presented by our treasurer has already been circulated to all the members of the AGM, and that was already told by the secretary in the beginning of the meeting itself. So anybody who want a copy of that, it's the open transparent one. We'll be happy to give that. That's again another thing on the WhatsApp group, which is somebody has asked a question. I think clarified. Okay, they'll be happy to share. Okay.
Sure. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, members of the Apex Council who have joined us today. Thank you very much, the Governing Council members and each and every individual member who joined us today. And we had a very, very positive and very informative discussion today. I thank each one of you for participating. I thank the treasurer, Mr. Satish Iyengar, for clarifying to some of those queries that came on the financial, points which were shown in the discussed in the meeting. We continue to be building our organization into a formidable one with your support. I'm sure that as our president mentioned that by the end of this year, we should be over 500 members. And each one of yours support is required to.
500 by December.
By December.
By December this year and 2,500 by next year.
That's right, sir. So this is the ambition. This is what we are all looking for. And there are lots of things being planned by our chairman, event and marketing. And for all this, we need revenue, we need money. So I'm sure with your support and bringing in of membership and more sponsorship, as mentioned by Mr. Satish Iyengar, we should be able to meet every expectation. Thank you very much. Thank you once again for being all.
Can we ask everybody, can we request everybody on the video so you can take one shot of all the members there? There are 51 people still there.
I think Mamta would have probably.
No, I don't think she
have done it.
She took it, but most of the people.
Can you take up a picture, please?
No, there are 51 people still there. Ask them to put the video on.
51 people are there. It is highly appreciable. And
let all the 51 come on one screen. I won't take one shot.
Sir, I propose my sincere thanks to the chair, sir, for conducting such a nice AGM.
That's okay.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure. So can you request everybody to come? Request all the members to kindly come on, put the video on, put your best possible smile.
Group photo. Virtual group photo.
Can they all come?
People are not smiling. There are no smile on face.
7 people on the visual there. Could you request everybody? Or
Satish Iyengar is not smiling. He's not happy with finance.
Secretary साहब share कीजिएगा इस photo को.
Sure.
Along with the minutes of our AGM.
Yeah. Vijay Gupta ji, it's one of your passport size photos there. I want you to come on the video and smile.
Sir, my camera has gone. He's not happy with me today.
Yeah, you're a little serious.
So my camera is not working at the moment.
Yeah, Padmanabhan sir is fine.
So that's why I have put my last photograph.
I think we are only 20 people now. We should add the numbers.
Yeah.
Only 20 people.
51, we are still 51.
Anita, take photo. Mamata, please take over. And Mamata, ladies and gentlemen, the lady who really worked hard will be taking break for a couple of months, and we have Anita who's taking over as an
And can Anita come on the screen?
she's there. She's
Anita
there.
Shivan, please come on the screen.
Anita and Mamata both, even Mamata. Yes.
Anita and Mamta together.
Mamata, come on screen.
Mamta and Anita to come on the screen. So,
Here is Mamata.
where? I can't see.
Not
Where are
not much difference between Anita and Mamta.
So we bid goodbye to Mamta and welcome Anita Shivan. That's the name. She is going to be the administrative manager for all our thing. The only employee of the organization of Focus is that. All others are doing voluntary work. So anything that you want to happen over there, what you're doing with Mamta Nagaraj, now you'll do with Anita Shivan. She's already joined formally now.
Welcome, Anita ji. Very
Yeah.
welcome.
Mamata, are we done with the photographs?
Yes, sir, I've taken. I posted also in the group.
Okay.
But not much. No, so I got it. How many are there?
Best wishes to Mamta.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, thank
Yeah.
you, thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Mamata, you can close the meeting. Mamata, you can close the
I
meeting.
told in the beginning, we got a wonderful event coming on the 30th. All of you should join. And that is in line with what Ajit wanted, is on electrical short circuit and fire. Gopakumar is going to be there. One of the finest professional on the National Building Code Committee on electrical installation and lightning protection of buildings, etc. All of you should join the 30th. I'm sure details will be shared by Dominic
Anita.
to all
Yeah.
members. I want to have at least about 500 to 600 participants in the program on the 30th. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good night,
Thank you.
good night, thank you.
Mamata, you can close the meeting.
Thank you.
Mamata.
Good night.